Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to another presentation session with me, Teech. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is my next pitch, P-I-T-C-H. And for this presentation, I would like to present to you my pitch, the Super Wallet. Super Wallet. Now, when you see the Super Wallet, you need to remember something. And you remember this tagline: one wallet to conquer the world, one wallet to conquer the universe. Super Wallet. Super Wallet. Say it together with me. Super Wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there is a problem. And the problem now is normal wallets are boring and old looking. Boring. And old looking. They look old. They're boring. They are old and boring, and because of that, you need to get yourself a Super Wallet. You need to remember also why we have designed and why we have decided to market Super Wallet for you, to all of you. Well, because it is cool. Super Wallet is cool. And Super Wallet is techno. What do I mean by that? It is actually not just a wallet, but also a technological device. So if the problem just now, if our original problem is that wallets are boring and old looking, then this is the solution. Super wallets are cool and they are technologically advanced. This is my proposition to you, my UQVP, or unique value proposition. I'd like to propose to you that our Super Wallets are excellent because they have RFID protection. So what is the meaning of RFID? RFID stands for radio frequency identification. Remember, when you go to shop, when you go shopping, you find that you can do the touch thing. You touch your bank card, right? You touch that, the bank card, and suddenly the money is taken away. Now, that is good, but it is also very dangerous, because if you use that kind of smart pay, it means people can just walk around with machines and copy, get your wallet details, get your card details, and they can take money out from your bank without you knowing. So that is a very real danger, and we need to do something about it. So this is where Super Wallet is unique. It is protected against any kind of copying devices, magnetic devices. It's excellent. It's small. See, it's small. See, Super Wallet. Small. It's light. It's very light. It's like, ooh, very light. Right? And it's cool. It's cool. Imagine if you have a Super Wallet, people will just look at you. Wow, that is so strange, but cool. So, RFID protection, small, light, cool, technologically advanced, and most importantly, it is not like old wallets which are just old and boring. Like me. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to gain traction, this is a little bit about the history of our company. Our company, Teech Tech, we have taken actually more than 20 years to research this awesome Super Wallet. We started our research back not in 2011, but we started actually in 2001. It's more than 20 years ago. We research, and our research focuses on nothing else but this Super Wallet. So 20 years of research comes a wallet, and now it goes into your pocket. The wallet goes into your pocket. One more time, the wallet goes into your pocket. So I'm calling you to action, to take some action, What are you waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Bin. Put your old wallets into the rubbish bin now. But remember, first take out all your money cards, IC and all that, ID, NRIC. And then after that, throw them away. Throw away your old wallets. Buy my super wallet, our super wallet from Teech. So ladies and gentlemen, that was my pitch for my super wallet product. One wallet to conquer the world, one wallet to conquer the universe. What are you waiting for? Throw away, bin your wallet. Get a super wallet, put it in your pocket. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in my next presentation. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.